How to change theme on Shopify website. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. Open up any browser you have and navigate to the Shopify admin. After that, click on the three lines at the top left of the screen. From Sales Channels, click on the Store. Then click on Themes. You'll be redirected to the Themes section, in which you can customize your current theme by scrolling down to the Current Theme section. Or you can scroll down the Theme Library section, from which you will have three options to change the current theme. You can either replace the current theme with an added theme by clicking on the Add Theme dropdown and then selecting the option that suits you the best, such as uploading zip file and so on. Or you can choose from the free Shopify themes as a replacement for the current one. As well as you can replace the current theme with one of the paid ones if you can by visiting the theme store. Once you find a theme that you like, add it to the theme library. From there, click on the Action drop-down and select Publish to set it as the new theme. And that's it. That's how to change theme on Shopify website. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.